Let's take a moment out of our day and organize the fridge. Join me. I know. The last thing that you want to do is clean your fridge and find half-melted butter sticks or an apple juice box that your 3-year-old dropped underneath the drawer that is totally sticky. However, I promise that once you get into a routine of cleaning your fridge, it's going to make you feel so much better and it's going to make the process go so much easier. So let me share with you my tips for what I do for cleaning my fridge at least once a week. The first thing you want to do is remove all of the items from your refrigerator and place them on a counter. Go through your sauces and your dressings and all that and see what's expired and what isn't, and make sure to toss the ones that aren't good anymore. I'm not sure about you, but I know that sauces can hang around in our fridge for a while and take up a lot of room and no one uses them. So if you have anything like that maybe you wanted to try a barbecue sauce one time or a dressing and you guys didn't like it, but it's still just sitting in the fridge, get rid of that stuff. Let's make room for all the stuff that you do use, and it'll make it easier for us to clean. Now, you're going to want to remove all the drawers from your refrigerator and wash them in the sink with soapy water. Now, after you wash them, use your soapy water rag, come back over to your fridge, wipe down all of the inside, all of the shelves in the door, wipe the back and the sides. Just give your refrigerator a really good once over with your soapy water rag, then rinse your rag with clean water, and again, wipe it with the clean water rag to make sure that there's no soap residue. One little pro tip that I have for you while everything is removed from your fridge, get some of that shelf liner. You can get clear plastic or just about any design that you want and cut it and fit it to size for each one of your shelves. It's going to make those spills and messes so much easier to clean up, and also it's really easy to wipe. Typically, I replace my shelf liner every 6 to 8 months or whenever needed. Whenever you're putting your items back inside your fridge, now that we have everything clean, the drawers are clean, the shelves are clean and lined, we're ready to put the things back in. Whenever you do that, we're going to group them by likes. You're going to put all of your salad dressings together, all of your tartar sauces together, all of your salsa collection together. I don't know about you, but my husband has a huge salsa collection. You're going to put your condiments on a shelf and group all of your likes together. Now maybe you've run out of shelf space. I highly suggest getting some bins and using your labeler. Your labeler is like going to be your best friend when organizing around the house. Use your labeler to label bins, say snacks, salsa collection, whatever it is, and then use those bins to store the like items inside your fridge. Now, don't be afraid of labeling even the drawers. You know, a lot of us have small kids, and I don't know about you, but whenever my daughter puts our lettuce all the way in the back of the refrigerator, it gets cold and yucky. She never wants to put it in the drawer. So label your fridge, fruits, vegetables down at the bottom on your drawers. That way when your family goes to put things away, they put them in the right place. This is going to help you stay organized, and it's going to teach them organization. Tomorrow, we're going to talk more about labeling, so make sure to join me. Welcome to DIY Your Life. If you love DIYing, organizational, cleaning, and craft videos just as much as I do, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell icon next to subscribe so you never miss a video. You might have some friends and family who love DIY just as much as you. Be sure to share this video and all of the videos that I have on your social media so that way everyone can benefit. Also, right down there is the thumbs up button. Click it for me, will ya? Thanks.